since I can take the engine out of the Eclipse yet, we're going to rebuild those injectors. So for today, we're going to do something, technically it's pretty simple. So we are going to get these injectors. This here is a cap. They are FIC Injector Clinic. Let me see if I can do that. And we're going to remove this cap and replace by this one. This one is thinner and this one is thicker. So you can see the difference, right? This one is going to fit my engine. This one is not going to fit my engine. So I bought like this. I also bought a set of O-rings, and these top O-rings are for this here. So we're not going to use the top O-rings, and all the other O-rings we're going to use. So this one goes inside here, and we'll plug on the injector. So you can see the injector. This one I removed the top already. So one O-ring goes in here, and this goes in there. It should be very tight. Of course, it's not this one. This one we're going to retire. I'm going to save it for something. We are going to put this other one here, and we are going to maybe remove this other cap here, which is the front one, and replace the O-rings, which are those brown ones. Brian from FIC Injector Clinic told me that they do not fail usually, so he wouldn't be worried about removing them. But you know, I'm not sure. I'm here already, so let's see. We are going to use one of those pliers. You need to set the height enough that it will only be enough for this to fit in here. So see, it doesn't quite bite with the back, it bites with the front, bites with the front. I don't want to damage any of those. And I was instructed to grab the injector, get this a rag or something, put around the cap, get the plier, and now wiggle a little bit, and it should come off, right? So I'm gonna fold once more. So basically it's like this. You can pull it, but it's very hard. Okay, so I'm gonna fold one more. Oh yeah. There you go. So one out, and you see there's a little O-ring here. We're going to replace that. Let's put the next one. There you go. Down. One more. They are not easy, but I knew that. Oh, that was easy. Probably it was out already. So we have 4 injectors, 4 caps. We're going to put away. I just need to worry about taking the O-rings out of here. So you see that this one still have the O-ring, those 3 still have the O-ring, this one doesn't. So I need to take him, pan the cap, and I'm gonna put in here and just prop it up. Whoop, lost it. Put in here, prop it up. I mean, I don't know, I don't care if it damages or not, but you know, if it doesn't damage, I can just say who knows what will happen. And just prop it up. Boom. Done. So I need to clean them a little bit. I'm going to the garage. I'm going to use a rag and some brake cleaner. You see there's a little it's a little dirty. Right here, you know, there's dirt. I want to make them very clean, so I'm going to the garage. I'm going to put some brake cleaner there, and maybe I'm gonna try to remove just one. Let me see. You know those things you should not do, but you end up doing anyway. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was hard. So the cap looks fine. Yeah, look at that. So there's one ring and one piece of rubber. It looks like a stopper or something. It doesn't look like it moves. So apparently I need to get this guy, and this would need to get some WD-40 and go over it. That looks like it. So I'm going to do it. Yep, that's exactly what needs to be done. That thing doesn't move. That goes nowhere. Yeah, look at that. So you take it, right? Since I'm here, I'm gonna do it anyway. And the other one just goes slide right in. Let's take all of them. So that's the deal. You gotta grab in here in the little lip, not the big one. So put the little lip in there. I put some WD-40 on the other one, but that's pretty much what you gotta do. Don't squeeze the crap out of it, just enough so you can take it out. There you go. These O-rings will be trash, so you can cut them if it takes you last time. There you go. That. There you go. So I got this here, but I ended up not using. So I have here the bottom O-rings, which are close to the injector side. Those two are new ones, so I have the 4 new caps. I have the front caps, right, which are the ones that goes in here, and I have the injector. So the injectors are actually only this, and you just have the adapter. So this goes on the bottom, and this goes on the top. This is clean and new. Those are dirty and old. I'm gonna clean this and come back in a minute. It took me no more than 15 minutes. I just put brake cleaner in here, took all the, it's not a gunk, it was like just, I think, gas and dust. Clean that. And now what we need to do, we are going to put those O-rings here, those brown ones, we're going to put in front, right below this little part here. I'm not sure how to call this. I want to get this O-ring and put some WD-40. This will help to the ring to stretch and not get screwed. So I'm gonna get the O-ring, put in here, put one side, and just drive around carefully, and then boom, it's inside. So one down, second, all right. There you go. Third. Oh, got too much, so I'm gonna put WD-40 on both. So put it in there. I'm gonna try to show you. So you make it go under and hold with your finger like this, and then just slide your finger around, and there you go. Put under, push it down. Now my hand is slippery. And drive your finger around it. So you see it's going, done. So that was easy. Now we need to put this in here, and I expect this to be, ooh, that was easy. So you just get the little thing we cleaned. The O-rings have some WD-40, so it's actually helping to slide a little easier. And there you go. You just push. That's not my sponsor. So injector, O-ring, there's just one O-ring there. Put the little cap in there and slide it down. So you see, easy. Now we have a couple O-rings here. We have those black ones, which are going on the back, and this here goes on top of it. So we are going to do the same thing. We're going to put them up here. Let me take a couple more out of the bag. I'm gonna put the WD-40 is good for anything and everything. It's incredible. I guess, I don't know who invented that thing. So now you get the back of the injector, same thing. See that little part out there? You get that, and slide your O-ring. We have the O-ring, it has some WD-40 you put on top of here, and see one side is in the groove in here. So you touch it, hold it with your finger, and then with the other fingers you just put it down. So let's get another one. Same thing. Get in here, put one, put your thumb, and then push. This is actually the easy one. The front one is kind of trickier. Yeah, see that? So you get it, and boom. So now with that here, so this here will help this top one not leak. So now we gotta get the top one and push it, and that's it. So now we have almost our injector done. So you see the new cap with a few injector clinic. I'm getting one and after the other because it's easier. The camera doesn't lose focus. And there you go. This is the gasket. I put WD-40 already, and we need to go past this point here. There you go. So this is tough. Let me try another one. So you have here the injector, and you have the O-ring, and the O-ring doesn't go past here. So you need to open it. I know there's a tool that you put open and then you drop it. I do not have it. I'm gonna put some WD-40 so it stretches nicely, and I'm gonna push it down. It stops right here, And now is where you need to be very insistent. Oops, I guess it was out of the video, but we try again. Cool thing about the injectors is we have 4 of them. So if we miss something in one, you have 3 more to show in the video. So anyway, I put WD-40, push all the way down till it goes, which is here. So now I'm gonna do this using my thumb. I'm gonna push it so you see it goes down, and using the other fingers slowly you move around and boom, it goes inside. So that's it. I got it, and now we have the last 4 in here. Okay, so I'm going to WD-40 my O-rings. These ones I don't quite need, what I'm gonna do anyway. And you see here my nice injectors, so I'm gonna put, just because I wanna show the FIC, I'm gonna point the FIC, all of them, to the same place, so you can see like this. And so we got the injector and the O-ring, and just push the last O-ring in. This is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. By the way, I've never done that, so it is actually pretty simple. And that's it. There you go. Yeah, and that was it for this video. I'm super stoked with the result, how it looks and how easy it was. So yeah, I thought I was going to have trouble, and you know, I just need to test this and see if they work. If they don't, I need to send it to Fuel Injector Clinic, and they will take care of it for me. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hit the like button if you like. Subscribe to this video, it will help support the channel. And check out my blog at www.carmodsgarage.com. Usually I have the same things I have on the videos, but I post more pictures and stuff. I'm running a little behind that, but you can still watch and see what you think. Alright? Thanks for watching.
Look past my face. Sí, status. A mim isso é McDonald's.